Have you ever wondered why some of the most hardworking people remain broke no matter how hard they hustle? It's not always because of the economy, it's because of most of the invisible money lies we were all taught while growing up. These lies shape how we spend, think, save, and even limit how much we believe we can earn. But today in this video, I am going to show you those five biggest lies about money you were probably taught, and most importantly, the truth that will completely change your financial future. Stick with me to the end because lie number 5 is the most dangerous that has kept millions in poverty. Lie number 1: go to school, get good grade, and you become rich. This is the first money lie. We were all taught that academic success is equal to financial success. Don't get me wrong, education is very powerful, but if only degrees created wealth, professors will be billionaires. I personally have seen broke professors. That is a proof that academic success is not equal to financial success. What school really teaches is financial intelligence, how to manage money, how to invest, how to create multiple income streams. Real wealth doesn't come from certificates, it comes from skills, discipline, and knowing how money works. And if you've been trying to create multiple income streams but you don't know where to start, I would like you to drop on the comment section income blueprint, and I will send you my multiple income blueprint free guide to help you get started. Lie number 2: money is the root of all evil. How many times have you heard that? Maybe from your parents, from your teacher, or in church. But the truth is this: the actual quote is that the love of money is the root of all evil. And there's a huge difference there. Money is just a tool. It can build hospitals, feed families, even send children to school. Now, the question is this: if good people like you and me avoid wealth just because we think it's evil, then the greedy and the corrupt will be in control of it. Would you like that? The simple reality is that money helps to amplify who you already are. If you're kind, money will help to spread your kindness. If you are selfish, money will only make you more selfish. Lie number 3: just work hard and you will be rich. And this is one of the biggest lies that has kept millions trapped in poverty. Hard work alone does not guarantee wealth. If it did, construction workers and farmers would have been the richest people alive today. Wealth comes from smart work, such as leveraging system, investing, creating multiple income streams, and multiplying your effort through money, technology, or people. Hard work is important, but without smart work, you will end up being exhausted and not wealthy. If you want to understand the smart investor's way, just comment smart investor so that I can send you the smart investor blueprint as a perfect guide. Lie number 4: save your way to wealth. While growing up, many of us were told, save every penny. One day you'll become rich. Why saving is a wise idea, but it can't make you wealthy. Inflation eats up your money every single day in the bank. The wealthy don't just save, they invest. They put their money to work. They buy assets that grows, businesses that create cash flow, and stocks that multiply in value. Saving protects you, but investing elevates you. If you only save, you will be safe, but you will never be free. Again, if you want to understand smart way of investing as a guide, comment smart investor, and I will send you my smart investor blueprint as a guide. Lie number 5: rich people are greedy and money will change you. This is the most toxic money lie. Very many people secretly sabotage themselves from becoming wealthy because deep down they fear being judged as greedy or arrogant. But here is the truth: money doesn't change you, it reveals you. If you are generous with little, you'll be generous with much. But if you are selfish with little, you'll be more selfish with much. See, demonizing wealth keeps good people poor. We need more good people like you and I to become wealthy because the world needs more hospitals, scholarship, charities, and opportunities. So those are the 5 biggest money lies many of us were taught growing up. School guarantee wealth, money is evil, Hard work alone makes you rich. Savings alone create wealth. Rich people are greedy. If any of these lies shape your thinking, you are not alone. But today, you have the power to break them and start building a new money mindset. Now, which of these lies hit you the hardest? Drop it on the comment section. I would like to hear your story. And if this video added value to you in any way, don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and follow the page, and share this video to someone who money lies is trying to shape their thinking in a negative way. I'm Larry Obulo. Hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.